Hi lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. Today I'm going to create this clean girl makeup look, which has been trending all over Instagram and YouTube. This look is all about dewy skin, glossy lips, sleek bun and enhancing your natural features. You can try this look on an everyday basis. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look, then do continue watching. Before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. So now let's start by detangling our hair. For detangling, I will be using the Tangle Teaser detangling brush. This brush has flexible, unique bristles, some small and some big, which helps me to detangle my hair at ease. Literally, there's no hair fall after detangling my hair. Now I will be tying my hair using this brush and this scrunchie. I always like to do a sleek bun or a sleek ponytail so that my face looks clean and all the hairs are away from my face. To tame the front baby hairs, I will be applying the Streaks hair serum. Applying it on the ponytail and also on the baby hairs to make them set. I've already cleansed my skin and my face cleansing routine is on the I button. You can check the video there. I will be starting straight off with a face mist from Earth Rhythm. This is the bamboo range. Spritz this product all over your face and let it dry completely. You can also pat it into your skin if you want to. This has bamboo and coconut water which helps to hydrate and make my skin glow from within. Next, I will be using a sugar squalene serum from Earth Rhythm. This is an oil-based serum and is priced at Rs. 799. I apply 2 pumps on my face and blend it until absorbed. Squalene has innumerable benefits. The best part is teenagers can also apply squalene serum or squalene oil on their face. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, it moisturizes the skin, it softens the texture of the skin and it soothes skin and prevents irritation. It is non-comedogenic, so oily skin people can also use it. It controls oil as well. It can help fade the look of dark spots and it's similar to our own skin oil. Next, I will be moving on to my favorite gel-based moisturizer, which is Pond's Super Light Gel with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I like to scoop a generous amount of this gel moisturizer and apply it on whole face. Hyaluronic acid can help increase the skin moisture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It makes your skin smoother and healthier, whereas vitamin E helps to cleanse your skin by removing the impurities and help to improve skin elasticity. After all this skincare, my skin is glowing from within, as you can see. This skincare routine is important to make your skin looking glowy all day long. For concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I will apply this concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and some on my chin and forehead. In clean girl makeup look, the main purpose is to make your skin look even toned and look dewy and glossy, and you can hide your dark spots if you want to, but if you don't want to hide, that is also okay. Your skin should look all natural and skin-like. Blending my concealer with Pack 272 concealer brush, I'm using dabbing motions to blend my concealer. You can add more concealer under your eyes if you want fuller coverage. Now the next step is optional. You can add a CC cream or a BB cream. I'm using the Lotus Express Glow Cream. I'm taking a very little amount on my face and I will be blending it with the concealer brush. We are doing this because sometimes after applying concealer, our makeup looks patchy at the areas where we don't apply any concealer or foundation. So applying a BB cream or a CC cream will prevent the patchiness from your skin. Next, I will be taking the K-Beauty HD Setting Banana Loose Powder to set my under eyes and the areas where it becomes oily. I will be just dusting off the banana powder under my eyes. It is better to avoid the baking technique in this clean girl makeup look. For my eyes, I will be taking the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and with a Real Techniques fluffy blending brush, I will be applying it on my crease. I will be gently contouring my face with the Wet n Wild contouring brush. Use a very little amount to apply your bronzer. If you are interested in watching any full makeup tutorial on my channel, which are popping right here on the screen, please do check the description box of the I button, link will be given there. For my eyebrows, I will be taking the Color Bar Brow Chica Wow pencil in the shade Terracotta Twirl, and I will be applying it on my eyebrows. You can see the difference. You just need to fill in the gaps of your eyebrows to make it look bushier and fuller. After this, I just brush my eyebrows with the Real Techniques spoolie. For the eyeshadow, I will be taking the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Daydreaming. From there, I am taking this first shade from the palette. This is a very light pink shade which is matte. Apply the eyeshadow with your fingers on your entire eyelid. Next, I will be taking this brown matte shade from the eyeshadow palette and make an eyeliner with the Real Techniques Angular blending brush. Make the eyeliner very close to your lash line. If you like eyeshadows and want to see the tutorials of certain eyeshadow looks, you can check these videos which are popping right here on the screen. I will link the videos in the description box of the I button. Do check it out. I also have a detailed video on types of eyeliner. I will link it there as well. Moving on, I will be taking the Real Techniques blending brush and I will be applying the brown shade on my crease. Doing this will ensure that there are no harsh edges on my eyeshadow. For the clean girl makeup look, you have to apply lots and lots of mascara. For mascara, I am taking the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara in the shade Waterproof Black. This mascara literally curls your droopy eyelashes and make your eyelashes look fuller and curled. You have to know the right way of how to apply the mascara. First, you need to wiggle your wand from roots to the tips and apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara, leaving 7 seconds gap in between. That means don't make your mascara dry completely before applying the second coat. It should be semi-dry while you apply the second coat. Now you can see my eyelashes look fuller and curled. For my blush, I will be taking this Eba liquid lipstick in the shade Joyful Pink. This is one of the easiest hack to apply liquid lipstick as a liquid blush. I take a damp beauty blender and tap it at the liquid lipstick at the back of my hand, and then I apply it onto my cheeks. It will make your cheeks look dewy as well as it will not look patchy at the same time. Do not apply liquid lipstick directly on your cheeks because it will make your cheeks look patchy as well as it will become too much pigmented. If you want more color, you can build up the color using this technique only. For the highlighter, I am taking the K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Frosted Ice. I am applying the highlighter on the high points of my face, that is, on the areas that the light hits. Fan brush I am using is from Nykaa. Do let me know what other videos you want to see on my YouTube channel in the comment section. The lip liner, I am taking this Auric lip liner in the shade Neutral Nude. If you want your lips to look fuller, you can overline your lips a little bit. Did you like this clean girl makeup tutorial? Do let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know that. For lipstick, I will be taking the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Rock the Coral. I will be just dabbing the lipstick onto my lips so that the color is very light. And as I said at the very beginning of this video that this look is all about glossy and dewiness, so I will be applying a gloss from Lakme Absolute range in the shade Pink. This gloss is really very creamy, so it is perfect for winter season. I complete my makeup look. You can add a dewy setting spray to melt down your makeup. Now I will be adding some earrings. If you wanna buy any of the products used in this video, you can download Trell and use my code Upasana C20 to avail an extra 20% discount. Trell is already running sale up to 70% off and you can get further discount using my code. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen, and if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me. With that, I end my video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. You can click on this video to watch my weekend self-care and self-pampering routine.